How to send PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp or using WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visneth, and today I'll guide you on how you can send PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp from your mobile. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to send PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp, first you'll have to save the particular PowerPoint presentation onto your phone. You can save it on your phone and then you can open up WhatsApp and then head over to a particular chat and then tap on the particular pin icon that you can see beside the camera icon and then select the document option. Once you select document, you can tap on browse documents, and now you can browse documents, files and large files from here and then send it from here by selecting the particular document, the PowerPoint document that you downloaded to your phone. The other way what you can do is you can simply go ahead and head over to Google Drive, right? And you can upload the particular PowerPoint presentation to your Google Drive here. And once you upload it here, you can simply go ahead and share the link to the particular file. So this way you can send PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp on mobile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.